Raise your right hand.
I will faithfully fulfill my duties as President.
Anong duties?
Saka na, sir. Marami.
Defend the Constitution
Anong sabi doon?
Mahirap ipaliwanag, sir. Tuloy lang.
and execute its laws in service of the nation.
So help me God! Sino man ang kandidato mo, dapat alam niya ang gagampan ng trabaho. Walang personalan. Trabaho lang. Isang paalala mula sa NAMFREL, KBP at AdBoard.